Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya di sini akan mempresentasikan remedial bahasa Inggris. Nama saya Abdullah Najib, saya dari 22 IK 07 akan menjelaskan tentang sample sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence containing only one clause, or more specifically, an independent clause with a subject and a predicate. A simple sentence is typically made up of subject, verb, and object, or SVO, and creates a complete thought. However, since a simple predicate is a verb or verb, whereas only a simple sentence can also be made up of only a subject and verb, SP. Subject plus verb plus object, SVO. Jesse ate dinner, subject plus verb, SP. Jesse ate both of this example are grammatically correct simple sentence, but including an object helps to clarify the full idea of the sentence. Despite their name, simple sentence can include things that are not so simple. Let's review the use of modifiers, compound subject, and compound verbs, predicate, and simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of just one independent clause, a group of words that contains at least one subject and at least one verb, and can stand alone as a complete sentence with no dependent clause. Here are examples of simple sentence with the simple subject and verb in bold. My partner loved to hike. The news report include various accounts from bystanders. Veterinary technicians work alongside veterinarians. Although these examples include direct, object, and prepositional pairs, they are simple in structure because they each have just one independent clause. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence that connects to independent clause, typically with a coordinating conjunction like an or, but it is best for combining two or more sentences that are self-sufficient but relate into a single unified one. Compound sentence give your writing a faster pace and unit relate idea, but they have a few more rules than standard sentence. In the quick guide, we explain how to ask them properly to give your writing an edge. As we mentioned in our guide on how to write better sentence, compound sentence combine two or more independent clause. The key here is independent clause, which are clauses that can each stand alone as a separate sentence. Essentially, a compound sentence bring together individual related sentence as one. If you unfamiliar with these terms, please check out our guide to clause in English, which better defines what constitutes a clause. Compound sentences are easy to identify because they usually ask a coordinating conjunction, which you may remember as fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. However, compound sentence can also ask a semicolon to connect two clauses, in which case no conjunction is necessary. Compound sentence explained below are two simple complex sentences, each with its own subject and verb. I have a pet iguana. His name is Fluffy. To combine them into a compound sentence, we simply add a comma plus the coordinating conjunction, and I have a pet iguana and his name is Fluffy. Alternatively, we can make a compound sentence by adding only a semicolon, and the sentence will still be correct. I have a pet iguana, his name is Fluffy. Complex sentence. Complex sentences are different from simple sentences but share some similarities with compound sentences. Does that seem complex? Don't worry. The art is to us when you understand how the word which we explain fully below. We talk about simple versus complex sentence and independent versus independent clause, and we give plenty of example extensions. A complex sentence is a sentence with on the independent and at least on independent clause. It works when you need to provide more information to explain or modify your sentence main point. Complex sentences are easy to spot and often ask subordinating conjunction like because, since, or until to connect clause. Complex sentences are one of the four types of sentence based on structure: simple, complex, compound, and compound complex. Their distinction is that they contain independent clause. Only complex sentence and complex compound sentence have this. Independent clause, also known as subordinate clause, is a clause that cannot stand alone as a complex sentence without an independent clause. Independent clause is just sentence fragment. Incorrect: when I grow up. Incorrect. Correct: when I grow up, I ask. Complete sentence. Correct. One of the most common types of complex sentence is conditional sentence, which discuss imaginary situation, often asking and if the structure in conditional sentence one clause is true only if but both clauses are true. Thank you.